Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Ankita and Kunjwal, and my name is Kunj Patel and I am 10 years old, and today we are going to do an easy and simple experiment at home. So for that we require battery, water and salt only. So first of all you need to pour the salt in the water. Now you need to mix it well. The salt should completely dissolve in the water. So I have completely dissolved. And now you need to take the battery, and these two upper things should be upper side. 3, 2. The experiment is not happening because this battery is old. Now I am going to try with the new battery. Let me take out the old battery. So this is my new battery and I am going to put it inside the solution water. Oh my God! It is just like volcano. Take a close look.
After the experiment, the color of the water also got changed. Oh my God.
The reaction will keep going till the batteries run out. So that's what it today, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.